YouTube? It's Christian Knife Guy here. Got another mini trapper case. 1985. We'll verify that with the ting stamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. 1985. It's got a little use on the blade. A little usage. Like how they stamped mini trapper, let you know what it was. The 80s, they didn't have them chrome polished blades. They were all kind of like a carbon steel type deal. It's got some usage on there. Got a half stop on the main blade. Decent snap. It needs oil. Put a little dough oil on there. Half stop on the spade blade. This is why I like the trappers and mini trappers. I love the spade blade. That's really stiff on that one. Better snap on that one. I think it just needs cleaned up. A little oil. Probably some dirt and grime in there. Definitely. Right in there you can see all that nastiness. This is an old knife, but still immaculate condition. You got no cracks in the bone. And if you look straight down here, all your rivets are flush. Well, that one's not flush. It's risen up some. You can see it right there. The other one there's flesh. This side. Come on, focus.
Hi, Grayson. Hi, my name is Cal.
That one's flesh. Just on this side, it's not flesh right there. It's just sitting flesh down in there. Looks like it could have been glued, re-glued right in there. But other than that, there's no cracks in the scales. Needs a little cleaned up. Get your nickel bolsters, brass liners, stainless steel springs. Typical. And I apologize for my voice. I am sick still, so. It's a good looking 1985 case mini trapper. Until next time, friends. Don't cut yourselves.